Oh dear, there's a shirtless guy with a knife. 911. Oh no, I'm the last one. I hate this. I'm actually scared. What do I do? Yes. Welcome, my guest. I am Rain, and today I bring to you more matches for your enjoyment. So strap in, or do not. I am not your father. It's showtime.
Bell County have turned into a surge.
Here we go again, guys.
You've got this.
I got my nice skirts. Because you guys know I like wearing skirts.
Yeah, girl.
We have a bone scrub that I will use to get rid of this noisemaker. Because it's in an area where I think people will be passing through.
Yeah.
Is there a magic blue box? No, there's not. Let us. Oh, someone's coming. Hello.
Hello and welcome to tonight's show.
It's a person. It's a Julie.
Hi.
Okay. I just need one. I'm not going to grab two. Just to start getting things open.
Yeah.
Turn this off, just in case. Are you done, Grandpappy? We've had enough.
Yeah.
He thinks he's a T-Rex. Please excuse him. He grew up with Jurassic Park. He was a dinosaur boy. But he's no more. Now he's a wannabe dinosaur. He has evolved. We open this and go back for another lockpick. What? Are you okay? Do you have some beverages? Some snacks? I still am drinking my choco milk. I think it's a good comfort in this roller coaster of emotions that is this game. Alright, we are on this side. Oh look, this is open.
Oh my God.
Let's go inside. Yes, nice. Alright, let's find a toolbox, right? There is not a toolbox here. There has to be one around here, right? Time is running. Where are the toolboxes? I know that probably the people who play this game more often or have more experience than I do are probably frustrated. Oh, there's one. I'm watching you play right now. Someone is being killed.
Oh my God.
Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear, there's a shirtless guy with a knife. 911. Please. I think this is my cue to get out of here. Nuggets, please. Alright, we need to get out of here. Shoot. Nuggets, please. Maybe carve out your area?
Yes.
I know Cook and Johnny are on the generator area. Is the carve out tray area opened? Please. Someone in the comms, please. It is open. It is open.
Nice.
Yeah, buddy.
Please. Let's go. Nuggets, if you say a word, it has to be open here. Please be open here. Por favor. Por favor, por favor. Wait,
Yeah.
so nice there. And she saw me. Wait, what? There was a cook and a Johnny, and now there's a Hans and a Sissy?
What?
Wasn't it only 3 players that could play this? What is going on?
What just happened?
There are 4 killers in this area. There was a cook. What?
What was that?
There was a cook, and there was a Johnny, and now there's a Hans, and there is a Sissy. What? There's no cook apparently. What? What is going on?
Oh my god.
Okay, so we ought to go to the generator area then. But Johnny's gonna be there. Maybe we have to do the valve? I know, say, I just did not want to be lost. I feel abandoned whenever I am lost. They're about to start knocking out the grandpa. Someone is over there. Is that the carbattery area? I think it is. I ought to go to the generator side. Maybe that shirtless guy with the knife won't be there anymore. Hopefully. No, he is there.
Oh my god.
Well, that side is open at least. Where do I go? He is around. Maybe I can sweet talk the grandpa and tell him some sweet words. Should I?
Yeah.
Maybe I should.
Yeah.
I think they are camping both of the side exits. Sir. Your breath stinks.
Perfect.
Screw Grandpa. Alright, and then I leave. And then I look back, and then there's a shirtless guy.
Oh shit.
And then I will, because he's going to come here. And then I hope for the best, and that he's not going to come and chase me down here. I will grab a healing thing, just to make sure. I don't know where my teammates are. I still have 2 teammates around. I just do not know where they are. Where they what they are up to. Oh my goodness, please. Please. Nice. Oh, he's on the grandpa. Okay, okay. Where's Hans guy? I know there's this lady here. I think it's a good opportunity to go back. Oh, this is locked.
Oh my god.
You've got this.
It was that guy who opened it. The shirtless guy. I thought it was open, but it was just him. Nuggets, do not say a thing. I'm going to grab another. Kiri. Please. I need this escape. I need this escape. For my temporary happiness. Okay. Okay, progress. ¿Dónde está la cajita azul? Ahí está. Okay. Take the thing. I can't even talk. I'm nervous. Nice. Okay, teammates, thank you.
Wow.
Nuggets, ¿dónde están los nuggets? No nuggets, muy bien. Muy bien, muy bien. My sweet words have been helpful, I think. We're going to leave this open just in case, and we're going to kick the generator. I am kicking the generator, guys. Generator side is open, and it's about to be turned off if you want to head this way.
Nice
Right.
one!
Very nice. I had to communicate the comms to my fellow teammates so they could take advantage of this. Oh, they got it. Look at them doing amazingly. The Connie and the... No, wait, the Connie's gone. The Julie and the Anna. The Juliana. I'm going to stay here for the Julie, just as moral support. Okay, she's okay. Nice.
Yeah, buddy!
We did it, guys! Late night nudges again. Where are we? Is this... This is the gas station, I think? I did not see where we were. Oh, wait. This is not a good place to be. Or is it? Oh my goodness, it's not.
Oh my god.
It is not. Let's go.
Yes.
We go through here. We close this. We go through here. We're trying to lose this guy. We crouch and take a deep breath. This map just set me tense.
Oh my god!
I get tense with the leather faces. He closed the door. We ought to get out of here.
Yeah!
We truly ought to get out of here. Who came in? Oh no, someone escaped. Come on. Nalgas de pollo, if you say something, we need to get out of here. Okay. First mission accomplished. Correct. Now. Oh look, a bomb thing. Should we try? You know what? Let's try it.
Yeah!
Just for the sake of experience. I saw the hitchhiker over there. He saw me too. We will go around this building and then we will... Well... What? The animation was over. How did that hit me?
What was that?
The laws of physics have been defined. Defined? Defined. Defied. Oh, not the chunky juice. Where is the valve thing? I know one spawned for it. Two spawns for it, actually. Wait. He's right there, I think. Oh no. Señorita Yuli has deceased. Maybe I should go up from the same area. Just not waste time. Or actually, I'm just going to grab a lockpick. I think I should do grandpa-orientated things to create distractions. And because, for some reason, them leveling him up to level 1 makes me think that they're going to start maxing him out. I will tell Grandpa some things, and then he will be stabbed, and he will like it.
What?
I will give my sweet words. Leatherface is right there. I ought to wait for a moment. It looks like my teammates escaped to either the generator side or carbatry side. One of the two. I'm not too sure which one. I'm not good with knowing which one it is. Tension. Is he here? Yes, he's here. Grandpa, you're disgusting. Huh!
Oh shit!
And then I run back down. And then I close this just in case. Very nice. And now I I have bought 2 waves of aura reading for my teammates.
Yeah, girl.
Oh my god.
Should go. Maybe they won't see me here. I think he's putting down some traps. It's a good distraction, though. Very nice. Where are they? ¿Dónde está la familia? Oh, hello, guys. I will do the grandpa things. Don't you worry, guys. Grandpa. Huh! That's what you get, Grandpa, for being caca. Okay, I know one thing has been opened. Maybe I should try the valve. I will try the valve like a veteran, professional victim. I might fail. I will most likely fail. But experience might make me a better player. Potentially. Okay, so El Gran Papi is not here. Is this open? This is open, isn't it? Oh dear. Oh dear. Although the hitchhiker does not seem to be coming this way. So we can perhaps open this. Yes. Someone is there though. Who is over here? He is camping this area. Not too well. So it seems that Cook is camping Carbatry area. The hitchhiker is camping Valve. And one of the entrances to generator side. Another phase seems to be mostly in the center building. I'm trying to get Valve and do car side, but I can't get the battery area done because the Cook is hard camping. He brought marshmallows and everything. Is a fuse? Oh, where did you escape from? Oh no, I'm scared. Oh no, I'm the last one. I hate this. I'm actually scared. What do I do? I hate being the last one. It scares me. I might disconnect. I don't deal well with this. I don't know what to do. I don't know where they escaped from. And I'm not getting any comms either. Did they do the car battery area? I think the Cook is still here. Isn't he? Yeah. They probably escaped from here. Oh. Okay. Oh no. I have fallen. I can't stand up. It's over. Let's do this, guys. This time, after I got scared that last match, my darling has joined me. He's playing my boyfriend, Wyatt. Wyatt is only my boyfriend whenever my darling is playing him. Same with Leland. Which means that Wyatt and Julie are officially canon now. Oh my goodness. Hang on, I think I hear him. He's coming this way.
Oh my god.
Whoever my man is playing whenever I play, it's canon. If I play Sunny and he plays Leland, Leland and Sunny are gay. It's canonically written in the Elder Squirrels. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna get killed here. No. Oh, no cell value.
Oh my god.
Oh, I don't make it. Oh, I don't make it. Oh, he's on me. Run. Yeah, it's okay. Oh, no, wait, he went the other way. Shoot, I should not have vaulted. I need to vault again. Alright. I think I made that. Oh no, I should not have vaulted again.
Oh my god!
Wait, I need to stay still. Oh, my darling, I see his silhouette. Oh, I don't know where he is. I have not been able to get anything because I've been running for my life. You know what? This time I will carry a bone scrap with me. Because my darling is here and I get more protected. Even if I'm not effective with it. I want to have his back. They're poisoning Grandpa? Oh. Grandpa has been poisoned, guys. Everyone was sick of his dinosaur yells. His T-Rex mating call. Grandpa is the original dinosaur boy. The president of the dinosaur club. That's why he's trying to always imitate the dinosaurs.
Wow!
Oh no. I need healing. I'm gonna risk this. But I need healing. This is probably not a good idea. But I'm committing. The water bridge is open, my love. Oh no! I might die here. I think I'm dead here. Yeah, I'm dead. This is the first time we have the family house in this channel. Okay, where is I see a toolbox. That's open. That is open. Let's just go to the right.
Oh my god.
Yeah, buddy! Oh my god!
Nice. I will kick the generator. Hopefully this helps the team. And then I will head to the car area. It's a good distraction, I think. We're doing moves. Yes. Oh, shoot. Did not mean to do that. Please be a passage. Yes, it is a passage. Nice. Run. Run. My stamina, please. Okay, okay. I'm about to turn it off and they're gonna head right here. Do you think you can make it, Mela? Oh, I see you. I don't have a bone scrap, but it's open, Mela. Right here. Yes! Oh, it's so nice. We escaped hand in hand. Thank you. Let's go, let's go. Yes! Oh, this is so cute. I'm glad you moved, Mela.